Hello everyone, another episode today. I received by post Kickstarter. It's universal part. I just spent £10 on it. It's the correct size, so hope it will fit. So let's see what we can do today. So I want to really see if it's gonna turn the engine. We're having a battery anyway. So I just want to see if there's any resistance. Is there anything going on? The guy who sold the bike said there's something, one of the gears is missing. So I'm not gonna even make it too tight. That should do. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. There's no resistance at all. And I can see it's touching the footrest as well. Anyway, we need to find out. So I wanted to buy it to see. Yes, he's right. There's some gear missing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drain the oil. And to drain the oil, and we're going to take this cover out. And hopefully I'll be able to see what's going on over there. All right. Have you seen this? So this is a little spring. What comes with? It's actually, I've seen this before in Suzuki Marauder. I had to say, what the heck is this? So this is actually touching the gearbox. So what's very important now? It basically goes, I think, like this inside. So when we're gonna put it back on, it needs to go like this, I think. I'll double check in the in the manual. However, what can happen if at the moment I would put the gear in, it basically means that it's going to mess up the whole gearbox. That's what it says in the manual. So you need to be aware of this when you're working on those Suzuki engines. Some of them, they got this little thing, springy, and the little thingy. So just be mindful about it. And I'm going to tilt the bike now and see if we can get more oil out of it. There we go. So, previous owner was going to put Kickstarter in it, but this is 2001 engine, so they don't have it. He told me that there might be something missing, so I might need another cog or gear or whatever, and I can see already that the shaft over there behind the clutch is too short, so I will have to order another shaft. I think it's too much hassle to get it for a Kickstarter. I don't really want a Kickstarter. I would like to get it back to electric start. So what happened? The story is apparently electric motor starter blew up and he took it off. I managed to remove this thingy what was there, so now I can see it clearly, and I managed to remove the cover from the other side. So let me show you. So I removed the cover and I can see it here now that there's something missing. I've got this part here. It was with the another box of tools from the guy, and I need a part, little cog behind there to get it running. And I believe I'll be able to get actual electric start on. I think it's less work to do it that way than the other. I think Kickstarter is not, it won't work. First of all, these engines, they haven't got a Kickstarter, and it's very easy to replace the electric starter. So I'm going to order parts and we're gonna get it running properly. I doubt it's gonna happen in this year, 2025, but January is our month. Like and subscribe to see the progress. Thank you very much. See you soon.